Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/27th by 1/42nd. Let's break it down step by step to make sure it's really clear. Firstly, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/27th, where 1 is the numerator, meaning the top number of the fraction, and 27 is the denominator, or the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 27 equal parts. Now, take a look at the second fraction, 1/42nd. Here, 1 is again the numerator, and 42 is the denominator. This fraction represents one part out of 42 equal parts. To multiply these two fractions, we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 27 times 42 gives us 1134. Therefore, 1/27th multiplied by 1/42nd equals 1/1134. And there you have your final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/1134 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math help. Thanks for watching.